We stop students in brotherhood of CMS school read. Thy mercy, Lord, to make us good and truly worship Thee, to stand upright till life's long fight, with Christ for strength and right, to kindness cleave, to anger slow, and mutual love to show. Let CMS school be on earth, wherever offspring are seen. This Kottayam school has taught the world from 1870 to CMS school glory be, wherever offspring are met. Hip hip hurrah to CMS, this star shall never set.
Welcome to CMS College Higher Secondary School. The history of CMS College Higher Secondary School begins from 1870. The school, which started functioning as a grammar school in 1817, grew into a full-fledged high school and now has graduated into a higher secondary school and has thrown its portals open to students hailing from every walk of life, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. With many milestones to its credit, the CMS College Higher Secondary School began its journey in 1817 from the small English class in Bailey's Bungalow to its present state. We owe our gratitude to Reverend Benjamin Bailey for his farsighted vision. In commemoration of the immemorial service rendered by the Stuarts, this institution functions in 4 blocks, namely after Bailey Block, Baker Block, Penn Block and Corfield Block. Our headmaster, Sri Binoy P. Epen, controlling and coordinating all the activities we have done in our school. And he was an excellent farmer too. He conducted several seminars and webinars for the students about the agricultural practices. Let us move on to the different activities we have done in our school. My Green Home, Green School. Last year we started a program, My Green Home, Green School. As part of this program, we collaborate with State Harda Mission and we planted several plantlets in and outside the campus. And also, we are maintaining a Pachaturuth in our campus for conserving the natural biodiversity here. We aim to give awareness to our students for the importance of conserving nature and natural resources. Recently, our students took initiative as part of a social issue against cutting down of 34 shade trees in Shastri Road in Kottayam town, Kerala, for widening as part of road. Kottayam MLA and authorities announced for cutting the trees because of the interference of our students and other environmentalists. The Kottayam MLA Sri Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan declared that the trees should conserved and an alternative way to selected for road development. Our Seed Club members Advaith and Abhiga put a mask on the trees and talk about this with the MLA. It's a breaking news in Kerala at that time. On the World Nature Conservation Day, we started the program Haridam Sundaram Endanada. In this project, we aim to beautify the public roads in Kottayam town. This program is inaugurated by the Social Forestry Department Director, Dr. G. Prasad. Not only conserving the nature, but also consider the fellow beings. Here in our school, we planned several activities for the students to promote them to be more attached to their surroundings. Bird Watching Club, Madhrubhumi Seed Club, Forestry Club and Haritha Kerala Mission projects are also functioning here. Last year, we got Best Haritha Vidyalaya Award from Madhrubhumi Seed and also got the Haritha Kerala Award for maintaining Pachaturuth. We have a butterfly park and natural biodiversity around the campus. The biocompost system called Tumbur Muri Biodegradable Waste Management Unit our biodegradable waste are converted as manures. Our students are interested for charity works also. Recently, we visited the Navajivan Trust, the rehabilitation center for mentally upset people, for donating yield from the school garden and also collected from the vegetables from our home garden. All the staff and students participated. Through this, we are planting the seed of mankind in our children's mind. Different water conservation techniques are also done here. Rain harvesting pits, rain harvesting unit, and also water recharging in wells, etc. can be done in our school. A very good vegetable garden is also functioning here. The major crops are pea, brinjal, tapioca, plantain, etc. All these vegetables can be used for our noon meal dishes. Now we are ready for the cool season cultivation like cabbage and cauliflower. Now we move on to our students' ideas. What they are doing on this pandemic period. Let us hear Josil Joy.
Hi, I am Josil Joy. I am studying in 6th standard. In our school, this project, My Green School, Green Home. I am cultivating vegetables like pea, brinjal, banana, etc. We are very happy to do this because it gives more pleasure. In our home, use these organic vegetables. Thank you.
On this pandemic time too, we visited our children's houses and also monitored their online activities related to the Green School, Green Home. Eco-friendly products like paper bags, paper pen, etc. are prepared by the students and also provided to the different functions that take place in our school. On the occasion of World Cycle Day, our students give an awareness to the society about the conservation of energy resources. A blissful moment that the award ceremony of Water Day competitions. We got All India second prize. Proudful moment. The Water Day Award received from the Honorable Bishop of Madhya Kerala Diocese, Dr. Malayal Sabu Koshi. We got 2 awards from Madhurfumi Seed, Best Harida Vidyalayam Award and Best School Garden Award. We receiving the award from Madhurfumi Managing Director Kottayam. World Water Conservation Award, Madhurfumi Seed Club Harida Vidyalayam Award, and maintaining Pachaturuth from Kerala State Harida Mission Award also got last year. Several awareness programs like webinars are conducted. Some of the posters are shared here, and it's a great privilege to our students to attend the classes of elegant personalities. Those ideas and their motivation enable the students to do more for the society. We, the staff and students, visited several institutions and provide them the seats and pamphlets for the beautification of the society. Last week, we visited the Kottayam West Police Station and handed over some flowering plants and also foliage plants for the beautiful. We aim to conserve green everywhere, our school, our homes, and also our society. It's a great teamwork for maintaining this greenery in our school. Let us all work together for the betterment of the society and also for the future. CMS, the star shall never set. Thank you.